Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Rocket DuckChain Airdrop, your final chance to claim free $DUCK tokens. Time is running out. The highly anticipated DuckChain Airdrop is closing soon, and you don't want to miss your shot at free $DUCK tokens. The deadline is set for February 8th at 1 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated, so act now before it's too late. Fire why you should join the DuckChain Airdrop. DuckChain is making waves in the blockchain space, and this is your golden opportunity to get in early. Whether you're an existing ecosystem member or a newcomer, this airdrop is your gateway to being part of a rapidly growing project. With increasing market interest, early adopters stand to benefit the most. Hourglass Knot on airdrop details. Calendar claim period, February 5th to February 8th, 1 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Globe with meridians where, DuckChain mainnet. Wrapped gift what you get, free $DUCK tokens just for participating. This exclusive event lasts only 3 days, so don't wait until the last minute. Pushpin how to claim your free $DUCK tokens. Visit the DuckChain mini app. Go to the airdrop section. Follow the on-screen instructions to claim your tokens. Check your eligibility by connecting your EVM wallet before 1 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated today. Starting February 5th, claim via OKX Connect, with TON Connect coming soon for TON wallet holders. Chart increasing DuckChain market performance, a growing opportunity. The $DUCK token is on the rise. Here's what's happening in the market. Current price, $0.003623, plus 1.87% in the last 24 hours. Trading volume, $7.25 million, plus 10.59%. Market cap, $21.51 million rocket. With $10 billion DUCK tokens in circulation, $5.9 billion are already in the market, leaving room for future growth. Early adopters could stand to benefit as DuckChain continues to expand. Direct hit the clock is ticking. Act now. This is your last chance to grab free $DUCK tokens before the airdrop ends on February 8th at 1 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. The DuckChain ecosystem is growing fast, and there's no better time to get involved.